Today we are going to test a new compressor, an AC compressor. It is for a Honda Civic 2010, which I just received today. So what are we going to do now is how to test a compressor. Here we have a three-pronged compressor. 1, 2, and 3. The middle one, according to the specification, is the reference volt or is the positive volt. So if you apply a force there, a positive power there, and this is attached to ground, which one of those on the sides are the one activated, then a current will flow through the coil, and the coil will generate magnetic force, which will pull the clutch. So once the clutch is pulled, this one is continually turning. This then will be pulled and it will activate the compressor. It will turn the compressor. So once the power is released, it releases again, and as the pulley is continuously moving, this one will not operate. So let's see. Let's try. First is we apply a ground force over there. And here I have a power proof, which I just connected to the battery. So what this one will do is it will provide a power source. That's it. We have here an 11.9. So let's see. Let's try. So watch carefully this one. Let me focus it. There you go. Hold on. Let me put a longer negative. Okay. So that's now the ground. There you go. We got it. And we attach this to the ground. Okay. And now, let us put the power here. And watch carefully this one. This will click and engage if we put a positive source into the middle. See that? See? That means it is a working one. The coil is good.